Hi guys, another book recommendation for you coming from our Bodhi library while I'm here to pack up. There's so many good books here and so many great ideas for things that I want to share with you, and so I thought I would take that time to do that while I get to be here today. So today's book recommendation is going to be for Pretend She's Here by Luanne Rice. You guys, this book has a really awesome trailer that Scholastic put together when it was in the Scholastic Book Fair. And so you might be able to search YouTube and find a way better recommendation for it that way, because they have a great produced commercial for it that is what got me to read this book. So Pretend She's Here is about a girl named Emily, and Emily's best friend died a year ago. So Lizzie was her best friend, and she has been missed by Emily. She's been missed by her family. Her family has moved away to get a kind of fresh start, but they'd come back to town to visit. And so Emily is really kind of happy to see them because she misses her friend, and this is her family. And so she is excited to have the opportunity to talk to them again. And so when they invite her to come into their van for a ride, she has no suspicions that anything might be amiss, but it is. They drug her. They take her back to some place where she doesn't know where she is, lock her in a room. They dye her hair to look like their dead daughter's hair, and they're pretending that she's the dead Lizzie. It is wild, you guys. So this mystery thriller will keep you engaged from the beginning until the end. Luanne Rice does a great job of giving reality to the characters, making them feel like there's somebody that you can believe. The story itself is really enjoyable to read through, and you feel a sense of suspense. Trying to see if she's going to make it out of this house. Is she going to make it out? Are they going to let her go and realize what they've done? Or is there going to be some other outcome to it in the end? So check out Pretend She's Here by Luanne Rice, because I think you guys will like it a lot. All right, see you soon. Bye.